What's going on, everybody? It's Michael Lauder here from CarpetExpertBlueprint.com. We are doing an on-site estimate. This is a 17 by 19 family room. So let's jump into the notebook here. I'm going to share how to break this down to figure for the seams and the estimate, how much you could expect to pay for something like this. Let's go. Alrighty, now we jumped into the notebook here, and I actually drew this out beforehand because it is painfully long for me to draw these out since I am now actually left-handed for the temporary moment here. But the room we just looked at was 17 wide by 19 feet long. Where you saw me filming was over here in the hallway. Over here to the right is the dining room. This was the little fireplace right here. So there definitely needs to be a seam in this room. So let's get the easy work out of the way right off the bat. We're gonna do a 12 by 19 to get the long shot here, but then we wanna fill this side. And the reason we wanna put the seam over here is because we're gonna have a lot of traffic over here and here as well. Most of it's gonna be looping through this way. So you wanna keep the seam over there. So what we're gonna do is, if we did a 12 by 19, you're gonna need a 5 by 19 fill. So what you would do is you buy a 12 by 10 for your fill piece, you split it in half, and you have a 2-piece fill right here. Now, if you're wondering what this would cost in this particular scenario here, we're gonna do a 12 by 19 and a 12 by 10, which converts over to 38.66 square yards. The client wants a Berber carpet with pad and installation, which is gonna cost them $18 a yard for carpet pad installation, which comes out to $6.96. You saw there's old carpet in this room and they don't want to be bothered with it. So we're going to do the removal as well at $2 a square yard. So $6.96 and then $77 for the removal is a grand total of $7.73 to go ahead and take care of a room of this size. So whichever way you're looking at this, if you're wondering how to do estimates, is how to break it down, or if you're just wondering a rough estimate to replace carpet in your house, here's how you would break it down. Here's how you would figure the seams, and then you can kind of get a rough idea of what it would cost to have an installer come in and do it before you actually have them come out to see if it's in your budget to even get things done. And at $18 a yard or $2 a square foot, that's like a midline carpet. Nothing spectacular, but certainly not the cheapest of the cheap. So if you have any questions about the carpet and flooring industry, be sure to comment below. I'm going to create a video answering the question for you. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you on the next video.